Okay, we've got it all together. We've charged the compressor up and turned it off again, and what we're looking for is if we put air up here, I'll try and get it so we can get an understanding for you what's going on. We have the control valve in. If we put air here, you can feel it coming out through here, and we can still turn this. That's fine. We don't need it sealing really well for low. We need it sealing really well for high. So we've popped the spool out here. We pop air in. Now, you can't actually see that. But when we have a look, we haven't got much air here. That's locked now. I can't. Now, let me finger off the air gun. We can turn it. Now we can't. Popping back up. And you can feel the air coming out. You can feel that with your finger, and that's lube oil. That just comes out and lubricates the front bearing and everything. So look, that's great. That's what you would expect to see. The that assembly can just sit. I'll just keep it here together. Sit him up on the bench here for the moment, and we'll cover him up with a piece of rag to keep any dust or dirt. It's very windy here at the moment, and we'll just wrap him up and tuck him out of the way. So that's it. That's a multi-power clutch assembled and tested.